Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI NOVA Y61, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this device. Now to get started, let's just swipe down from the top right side of the screen. This will bring us our toggle, and in here one of the toggles should be power saving or battery saver, however they're calling it here, though I don't actually see it. So let's see if it's disabled by default. So we basically need to press right here on this little square, edit switches, and look at that, there it is, power saving mode, I'm guessing. So you can just drag it over to the top, and when we go back, save, we can now access it from here. So all we need to do is just tap on it. Power saving mode improves battery life by disabling features such as auto sync. Very descriptive message of what it does. Just a single info from probably a list of different things that changed in the how the device actually functions right now. Okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna select enable, and you can see we have now a little leaf in our battery to indicate that we have now a power saving mode enabled. So there we go, that's basically it. Now once you're done with it, you can turn it off by just tapping on the toggle once again. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.